The equipment used in our tea making project was a tea kettle, a mug, a spoon, a bag of tea, and sugar, and an electric stove in a semi-lit, quiet kitchen. The 22-year-old male user has to inconveniently use both hands to remove the top. Due to the position of the handle, it requires a small cup to be able to fill the teapot. The repetitive motions may be stressful to those of an older age. Due to the position of the stove controls, the user has to reach over the pot to turn the burner on. After doing so, the burner light is ignited. It took 10 minutes for the water to boil. The pot was soaked when the water was boiling. The user then had to reach over the steaming spout to turn off the burner. Due to the handle being positioned at the top, it made it awkward for the user to pour. Also, the shifting of the water weight may make it hard for some users to control the pot.
Ask me how do I feel, ask me now that we're cozy and clingy. Well, sir, all I can say is if I were a bell, I'd be ringing.